Pictured, world's biggest private jet with 88 beds, 6 bathrooms and wine cellar. Luxury, the Crystal Sky has an astonishing 88 beds. Converted from a Boeing 777, the Crystal Sky costs an astonishing £48,000 per hour, costing £310,000 for a one-way trip from London to New York. It fits 88 exclusive passengers who can enjoy its 24-seat restaurant, bar and lounge along with its 200-bottle wine cellar. The 6-bedroom jet launched last month and is the first plane by luxury travel company Crystal Cruises, reports the Telegraph. Rich, a table inside the plane. Each bed can be turned into a 6 feet 2 inches bed fit with cashmere blankets, mattress toppers and plush duvets. In its state-of-the-art kitchen, head chef Francois Vanzu will cook meals using a range of blenders, steamers and a sous vide cooker. Cabin crew are made up of 12 butlers who speak over 35 languages between them, and there's also 24 inches TV screens for every passenger. Expensive, the jet costs astonishing £48,000 an hour. Fancy, the plane has an incredible 6 bathrooms. Daily Star Online previously revealed how rapper Jay-Z is set to launch a private jet service for super-rich travelers. He even said he doesn't mind if passengers are caught romping mid-air. The 99 Problems star added, "Who knows what people get up to on a private jet? But if they pay their money, it's up to them, it ain't none of my business."